Bitch, I'm a big gangster. Bitch, I'm a big gangster. Bitch, I'm a big gangster.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's me back here with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys that ghost effect that y'all saw. It's very simple to do. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. It's probably gonna be okay. Ignore my mic, my bad. My mic is bad, so but it's very simple. And it's probably gonna be like a 2-3 minute video. Because it's really easy to do. So first of all, you have to find your 2 points in which you want it. So usually I do it between like 2 markers, but let's just do it from like here. Okay, or my breathing. Let's do it from like here to like here. So you would Control D, Control Shift D, and probably put it to like here. Just do it until here. So alright, so now what you want to do is simply go here and get this thing right here and drag it to the clip that you duplicated it. Now get your transform and then go to opacity, keyframe that, and make it 70. I'm still in the habit of saving things, but go here and make it 0. Okay, 0, okay. Now you go here and you just position this to where you want it to be, so it could be here. I just scale it like there. So like, yeah. So now you'll have this. So yeah. It's pretty cool. Usually I like adding a shake, so if I were to add a quick shake, right? Oh my. Okay, if I go to animation, apply animation preset, just add a small shake, so it just makes it look cleaner. And then let's go here, press U, highlight these, F9, go here, and make sure you're on value graph. Go here on these 2 points, push this in, and push this in. Alright, so now you have that. So yeah, you can even add like a screen pump or something if you want, but I mean, it's really up to y'all. Let's see what a screen pump would look like. Bro, I'm so used to doing it. Alright, let's find screen pump and find it, in which it starts right here. So where it kind of starts. So right, kind of. I mean, I wouldn't use it, but it's really up to y'all. But yeah, it's a very short tutorial. If you guys want more things like that, like this, let me know. Yeah, if you guys want like the clips to look even nicer, you can add a small glow on this, and it might look like that. Just turn the threshold down, something kind of affects like the white parts. Like it'll affect the player because we're wearing white, but I don't know. Do it to like here, and then do it like until here. And then you can keyframe the brightness. So press U, and then you go all the way here and make it 0. So yeah, that's how it looks. So yeah, if you don't want the screen pump, because I got a preset, let's just get rid of the screen pump. That's how it looks. So yeah, quick tutorial. I'll make more short tutorials like this. I'll throw in a CC tutorial, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.